Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use this amazing editor made by Github, which is called Atom, to show you how to use it with Tornado, and of course with both using it with Python and how to build templates, and I guess you will love it. The first thing, when you download Atom, you don't have extensions that you will need. That's why we're gonna install them one by one. The first one is that amazing module that has been made for Python, which is called Jedi. So Jedi is used to help you. It has auto completion and lot of other stuff. What we're gonna do is people who make extensions for this amazing editor has already made Jedi extension for Atom. So what you have to do is just you import your module and then you do dot and you have your auto completion. It's just like right now it's something like Node.js, which is contacting with Python using HTTP. So something like he says, hey, Node says to Python, hey, show me all what you have as methods or classes about this keyword, which is OS. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get the line number and the column, and then he will show you the auto completion. This stuff is something like the how to say that, it's hidden. What is important for us is just to know how to use it first, and then you can search how it works. And sorry for my English. So what we're gonna do, first thing, we have to go to settings from here, or if you have already installed this extension, which is called the toolbar, you just go to the latest one, open setting view, or you come to package and you come here and install package RTM. We're gonna use the simplest thing. We come to settings and we're gonna install. The first thing you need is of course the Python, because Atom comes already with Python support, but it has not everything what we're gonna need, like auto completion and so on. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna search about this one, autocomplete Python, which has like 200,000 downloads. This one will use the Jedi extension, which is really amazing. Now what you have to do is just click on install, and then he will install it. The second one, since you are going to use HTML, that means that you need the famous emmet. You just install emmet. What you have to do is just type emmet and then you will get it. So you install it. The third one, and the most important one that we're going to use to build our HTML pages, is using the Tornado extension. So we type Tornado and then we will have Tornado templates. It has not a lot of people that downloaded it, but I hope it will have with times. So once you get this one, the problem is that when you will use your Tornado templates right here, emmet will not really support it. So you need to change something in your emmet file extension. What to do is Atom downloads its extensions to this folder. I'm sorry if you use Linux or Mac, try to use Windows, so you try to apply this. So it is in this folder, Atom, and then you come to packages and then you search for emmet. Look, this one are the extensions that Atom will install for you. So it's just a tip. If you want to transfer this, what you have to do is just to compress this folder, and then you can move to another machine because it's self-contained. So we come to emmet, and here we have this folder, Kmaps. As you can see, in the past I was using brackets, but since the support for Python is not really good, so I tried Atom, and then that was really amazing. So what you have to do, you just open this one. I already opened it, and then you come to this line, override enter case for specific syntax only. By default you have only this one, so what you have to do, oops, sorry, not this one, it seems that I just woke up. Use this one. As default you only have this one, so what you have to do is to add the same one. You just copy this after the comma, and then you add text HTML tornado, and that's the same thing if you are going to use Django, because this trick I made it from Django. The extension that existed is about Django, so I tried just to change tornado, but once your file is detected as a tornado, now what you have to do is blah blah, for example, test, and you do whatever you want, and then Emmet will work even on tornado templates. So once you have done this, you save your settings, close it, and then if I come here, now I can have my auto completions, and I can have everything that Tornado can give me. So I hope this extension will be how to say this, I hope you will contribute on this extension, because it's just at its beginning. So for example, if I do 4, I will have completions. If I have to do include, it completes. If I have to add just an else, it completes, and so on. So now you know how to use Tornado on your favorite editor, which will be, I hope, Atom. And just another thing to end, when you install Python support for this, you have to install this extension which is called script, because this will allow you to run scripts on directly here. But the problem is that sometimes when you use the print, it will not show you the result until you restart the server. That means that what you have to do is just to do this. You delete and then you do this. Once you save, when it will start the server, because when you use Tornado, you just put the debug equals true, since we are in dictionary, it receives true. So you just modify one character, and then you re-add it, and then you save. It's just a small trick that will show you the result here. And the good thing, as you can notice, is that this editor is not like other editors, because Tornado, when you use debug equals true, and then you try to reload your server, it will write something like, hey, this port is already used, you can't use the same port again. So what you have to do is to stop it and then to run it again. It's not like on Linux, but the good thing with Atom is that it works good. So once you have finished this, you install these extensions, and it will load automatically on the toolbar. And the second one is you have to install this one. It's called Symbol Tree View. The Symbol Tree View, it has the good thing that if you do Ctrl-Alt-O, it will show you your classes, your methods, and you can decide what to show. Or you can use the one built on Atom, which is used using, I guess, Ctrl-T, and then you can have, no, sorry, not Ctrl-T, it's Ctrl-R, yeah, Ctrl-R, and then you can have this one. That's the same thing, but this one I prefer this extension because it's visual here. I can switch wherever I want. So to make a small resume, what you need to do is just come here, install, and then you install all the package you need. Don't forget to come to this folder, emit kmaps, and then you add this sentence. Since it's a comma separated value, what you have to do is just copy this one and paste it, and you add tornado. Now once you have finished, when you come to your files, you can use whatever you want, like you are using an advanced IDE, but this one is just an editor, but with these tools you will have a complete IDE. So I hope this was helpful for you, and thank you.